Kahit sa panahon ni Moises, merong mahal na mahal.
Okay.
Mga ahas ni Kalikasan yung sinasabot na. Kaya ka man rin. Tatapon yung toyo, huwag ka dyan magbalat. Matapon yung toyo, anak.
Oo naman. Ayun, pagkasta na lang.
Sige, lagyan mo dyan, sila kakain eh. O, sige. Dito na lang ako. Dito na ako. Ano naman mangyayari yan? Dry, may plastic na ba yan?
Ano ba? Ganyan, nakabasa ako binasag yan.
Ano eh?
Kasi ako pinabasag yung balot, ay yung penol.
Sa loob. Ano ba nakikita yung mahal? Ano tinurong ko sa kanya yun?
Sige na, you know what to do na.
Alam mo natin. Doon na kayo sa taas. Manood kayo doon.
Buti mo naman to, Kai. Speaking, buti na lang yung nanay niya Opal. Nice Opal.
Masabi.
There's already a superhero with a red suit with a lightning bolt on it, and I'm fast, but he's faster. Aquaman is literally huge and he's so manly.
Yung po mo na,
Batman is so
Dre.
cool.
Kakain pa ako. Pahinga ka lang muna.
And I can't say this to
Dre.
anyone else, because my family looks to me as a leader, but I
Text mo
feel
muna
like
yung jowa mo.
a fraud.
Oh?
Understand, Ama.
May girlfriend ka na, kuya?
Oo.
Ano wala?
Sabi
I
mo
mean,
lang.
yeah, well, you were recommended by another person. It doesn't. Can you help fix my thoughts so that they just like, stop happening?
Alright, look.
Ayan,
And
mami,
again, you're not
tikas.
a psychiatrist, but it
Huwag
sounds
ka dito
to me
magbalat
like
ha
you're
kasi
experiencing
madudumi yung
imposter
gawa ko.
syndrome. And often that originates from living life. So if you don't mind me asking, how old are you when you tried?
Like it was today?
Kakainin na.
I don't know. I mean, I never met my dad.
Right.
My mom abandoned me at a Christmas carnival. I spent a lot of time in the foster system, ran away from 11 homes, got into a lot of fights. Then I was abducted by a wizard who gave me superpowers, and then dude just like died in front of my face.
That's not a
He
story.
conjured 7 demons and held my whole family hostage, so we had to rip out all of these walls. And then everybody got superpowers, but now everyone's kind of like doing their own thing, and I'm going to try to put everybody together.
Okay, okay.
Hindi ko
Let's
po.
just process that. Rejected by your parents, raised system, and now rejected by a city you try to protect.
I never said I was rejected by myself.
Dito ka muna, oh. Dito.
Rejected.
That's the tribute. Nobody raises the tribute. Anyway, okay, well, I appreciate your help, but I got some real problems. There's this terrorist hostage situation going on, so
Hostage situation?
yeah.
Ba't kinakain na ako mo?
I suck balls at this.
Huwag dyan ka, dito ka.
Why do we
Opo,
always
Winnie.
have to play war games?
Hey, it's practice for other job. I'm serious. Military strategy, multiple team members, each with a special skill, unleashed against an unknown enemy.
Alam ko, kinain matamis.
But the house keeps getting struck by lightning, Leo.
Hindi ko sa ano yan.
Besides, you're the one always talking
Nabigla
about
ako.
teamwork.
Alam mo yung
But
piyapa ka
we
eh.
don't need guns.
ang tagal.
There's some other unicorns from them this time.
Yes.
Unicorns aren't real.
It's called speculative history, Eugene. Look it up.
Yes. I told you you were getting to if you give it a chance.
Yeah, I'm really sorry to see the appeal.
Lipat mo sa kapamilya yan. Mamaya naman itong pelikula.
Sabi mo. Wala ko na sa cellphone. Kaya binigay mo sa cash out.
209.85.
Minsan, life happens. Medical emergency, heart attack. But since my son fit and well advantage ako, sagot ako.
Hindi ka masukol ko. Siguro ka tamang tingin. Hindi pa sa kuan. Pero sa inyong di ay,
Panoorin mo daw, Florence.
Hype nila. Mamaya pa natin.
Kaya ang power kasi niya. May violence. Baka mayroong cash out.
Pagka-hype na nila.
hindi ko mabalik yan. Dahil,
Gusto kaya pala ito sa Gigi.
Magandang shotgun ba?
ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel. See it first every Monday on I Want UFC. Dali, ano rin